Welcome to the railway news from Japan. A special summer night express train called the Alps will be running from Shinjuku. The train departs Shinjuku just before midnight and arrives in Hakuba early in the morning. The schedule is the same as the Moonlight Shinshu, which ran from 2002 to 2018, while the Moonlight Shinshu was a rapid service. Its predecessor was the Express Alps. At its peak, the Express Alps ran 6 night trains a day from Shinjuku. The name of the limited Express Alps is a revival of its ancestor. I'll answer if you ask a question in the comments. We deliver the railway information from Japan nearly every day. Let's push good and subscribe to us.